Hello, my name is Yahin Zamali, and today I'm going to show you how to do the griddy. Because lately I've been seeing a lot of people do the griddy, and I've just been seeing terrible form and overall bad performance to the griddy. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the griddy correctly. These simple steps could go a long way with your griddy long term. Alright, let's do this. Quick and simple and easy on how to do the griddy. It's literally 5 to 6 steps, so follow along. It's not gonna take that long, alrighty? The big problem that I've been seeing is shoulders. That's the biggest problem that I've been seeing with a lot of you guys doing the griddy, is the shoulders. This is a regular posture for a regular human being. This is how you're supposed to do it while hitting the griddy. Shoulders pushed forward. Shoulders pushed forward. Notice that? Shoulders pushed forward, back peeking out. That's the number one thing for the griddy that I've been seeing a lot of people not doing. Next, step 2 is that I want you to crouch. I want you to crouch. I want you to bend your knees basically. So I want you to go push your shoulders forward, bend your knees, crouch. And then what I want you to do is do a wrist test. This is step number 3. I want you to do a wrist test to your wrists. I want you to flow like water. This is the test. Wobble your wrists. If they're wobbly, that's good. But if they're stiff, you gotta work on it. Search on YouTube how to make your wrists flow like water. But if you naturally have wobbly wrists, good. That's step 3. I want you to flow like water. We got 3 steps. We got 3 steps out of the way. I want you to push your shoulders forward. Make sure the back's peeking out too. I want you to crouch. I want you to bend your knees. That's step 2. Then I want you to do a wrist test. Flow like water. Then what I want you to do is step 4, which this is a crucial part of hitting the griddy. I want you to imagine yourself in a Disney animated film, a Disney Channel animated film. What I also want you to do is hop, but walk, all right? That's the biggest thing. I want you to hop, but walk, but also imagine yourself in a Disney animated film. That's step 4. And I want you to walk, simultaneously hop, and imagine yourself in a Disney animated film. Saw that? Look how I'm moving. That's how you move. Step 5. I want you to have your fists like this while hitting the griddy. And make sure you're like doing this too. Make sure you're using your arms. But I also want you to have your fists like this while hitting the griddy. Last step, and this is also a crucial step to finalizing your griddy. The hand signals. The hand signals to finalize your griddy. I want you to connect, you see my nails? I want you to connect them like Legos. I want you to connect them like Tetris. Look, you see that? If I put just enough force, it's not gonna budge. Because I literally have my nails connected to each other with my index finger and my thumb to finalize your griddy. While you're going like this, I want you to do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then boom, surprise. That's also a big thing too. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Rewind if you need to master this. But this is how you do the griddy in full animation. I see rap the creepy on when I hit him. A devil in her. That is how you do the griddy. I'm sick and tired of all these motherfuckers doing the griddy incorrectly. Not having your shoulders forward, not having your knees bent, not having your fists like this, not doing a wrist test, not imagining yourself in a Disney animated short film. It's stuff like this where we need to get creative with our dances and we need to act like we're the dance. If you want to act like a furry, you act like a furry. You dress up as a furry, you bark, you meow, you do all that. With the griddy, you have to act like the griddy. You have to move like the griddy. The griddy's trying to get attention, and it's concerning if you don't know it. So if you know about the griddy and if you want to do the griddy, do it correctly. It will benefit you in the long run, and it will get you ladies, it will get you friends, it will get you wherever you want. Even though you shouldn't learn the griddy just for that. You should learn the griddy for yourself. You should learn the griddy to embrace yourself. You should learn the griddy to learn something and feel important in life. That's what you should be doing with the griddy. My name is Zamali. I'm signing out.